Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. Today I will show you how to make a new channel on your existing YouTube account, or you can say on a same Gmail account. All you have to do is to click on your YouTube icon channel and then go to settings. After that you can see an option. If you have single channel, then it will show a create new channel. But if you already have two channels or multiple channels, then you can see an option of add or manage your channels. Click on it. Now you can see that create a new channel, or you can manage your existing channels. When you click on create a new channel, a Google account prompt will be shown and you can enter any channel name you want to create. That's it. Very easy to make.